Exercise 17A, question number 9. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB should be of 3.5 centimeter, BC should be of 5 centimeter, CD should be 4.6, angle B should be 125 degree and angle C should be 60 degree. So this construction we have to do of a quadrilateral ABCD. So first of all we are going to make a rough sketch. So let us make a rough sketch. Rough sketch we will be doing. So for that we should make here first base to be BC. So let's make BC as the base. Let's make BC as the base, and from B we want angle 125 degrees. So obviously 125 will roughly lie somewhat here. So it is 125 degree, and from C we want 60 degrees. So 60 degrees less than 90, so it will be like this, somewhat like this. So this is 60 degree. Now we want CD. So obviously if this is BC, then here will be point D, and CD should be 4.6 centimeter. And if it is BCD, then the first point will be A, so it should be of 3.5 centimeter. And then join AD. So this will be the rough sketch. Now we are going to do the final sketch or the final construction of the quadrilateral ABCD. So for that we see here that BC is the base. So now you draw BC to be base, and its measurement is also we have 5 centimeter. So you draw BC to be of 5 centimeter. So draw BC here of 5 centimeter. Here is BC. So you write down here BC, and it is of 5 centimeter. Okay, now we want 125 degree at angle B. So now you see that we can do construction also of 125 degree, but that will consist of so many efforts and so many lines and so many arcs you will have to make for 125 degree. So I suggest for this you use protector. So by using protector only I'll be making here 125 degree. So here at point B I'll keep here center of the protector, and now this is your 0 degree, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 110, 120, and this is 125. So somewhat here it will lie, and now join this point and B, and you take it some more bigger, and you can name it point X. You can name it point X. So XB we have made, and this is angle XBC equal to 125 degree. This is angle XBC equal to 125 degree. Now we have to make angle C equal to 60 degree. So that you can do by construction or by protector also you can do. So I'm using construction. I'm using compass and doing this construction. So put center over C and then make an arc like this. Now don't disturb your radius. With the same radius you put center over here. On which point where C and BC, where this arc and BC line has cutted. Now you put an arc here. Draw an arc here. Now join this C point and this arc, and you extend it somewhat bigger. And name it Y. So this YCB is 60 degree. YCB is 60 degree. Now we want AB to be 3.5 and CD to be 4.6, isn't it? So now you make AB to be 3.5. So you take rounder and measure length 3.5. So measure length 3.5. Yes, this is 3.5. So now you put center over B and intersect the line XB. Okay, we have to intersect the line XB. Intersect line XB. Now you see here that we have got intersection of XB line as well as this arc. So after getting intersection only, I asked you people to make it any point. So this is point A. So I have written here point A. Now YC we are having, but we want CD to be 4.6. So now you take measurement of 4.6 here in compass. 4.6. Yes, this is 4.6. Now you put center over C and then draw an arc here. So this is D point. This is D point and it is 4.6 centimeter and it is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now we got point A and point D. Now you join point A and point D. So this will give us a quadrilateral ABCD. So this has given us a quadrilateral ABCD. Now you can measure the length of AD. Now see, when we measure the length of AD, we are finding that the measurement is coming near about 4.9. So you can write down this in answer. After writing steps, you can write down answer. AD is coming to be 4.9 centimeter.